How to hide message request on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to hide the unwanted message request on Instagram. Let's get started. Open up the Instagram app and then head over to your profile in the bottom right corner and then go to the three lines in the top right. Now scroll down and under how others can interact with you, tap on messages and story replies. Now go to message request and then you can see at the bottom hide unwanted message request. You can toggle it off. You can toggle it on. And now, message requests that may be offensive, spam, or scams will be moved to the hidden request folder. And Instagram will also filter notifications of these messages. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.